Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see a simple solution that, let's say that you want to log in directly into the command prompt when you start your computer instead of logging into Windows. So how we can access the command prompt directly without them opening the Windows? We can either use the hard power button reset, that is if you try to power on 3 times in a row, then it enters in the command mode. But let's say in this case that you have already logged into Windows, how we can then restart the PC and just directly start it into the command prompt. Let's see that. So all you have to do is just go to the start menu right here and click on this power button right here. And now just hold the shift key and click on restart right here. So what it will do is it will restart your computer and it will show you some options. Let me just get to it and then show you the further process. So it will take some time to load and it will show you something like please wait. And now you see these 3 options right here. I'll click on this troubleshoot options right here. You can now click on the advanced options, and now you have all the complete menu if you want to restore or uninstall the updates on all. And you have the command prompt option here as well. So once you click on that, it will open up the command prompt, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and just comment down below if that works for you. And if it did, subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.